What is email domain age validation? Email domain age can be used to check for fraud. If you enable the email domain age validation rule, Fraud Labs Pro will calculate how long the domain has been in existence based on its registration date. If the domain was recently registered, then the risk of fraud is high. This fraud validation rule is only applicable if the email address collected is not from a free email service provider. Let's see how to protect your online business from fraud with this email domain age validation rule. Firstly, log into the Fraud Labs Pro merchant area. Go to the Rules page. Then click on Add Rule. Select Email Domain Age Less Than Custom Value Months for the rule field. Enter the email domain age in months for the value field. Select the action you want. Once done, click Save. Please take note that this validation rule is available for the small plan onwards. You may upgrade to the small plan onwards to use this validation rule. Thanks for watching.